How to use your right brain when you cold call. Unlock the power of your right brain for cold calling success. In this video, we'll explain how to use the power of your right brain to make effective cold calls. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. Before we jump into the content, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to make money every single week, and be sure to hit the like button if you're getting value from these free tips. Do you struggle with the process of cold calling? For many of us, it's a grueling experience. That's because we try to carry on a conversation from a rigid, linear place. We're trying to follow a strategy or a script. Thus, when it comes to having a relaxed and enjoyable cold calling conversation, it just doesn't work very well. Our right brain is very different from step-by-step, logical, linear processes. It's organic and intuitive. The right brain is all about things like speech and relationships. So why do we turn off this very skilled part of ourselves when we are doing exactly that? In cold calling, having conversations and engaging in some sort of relationship with a fellow human. Well, we've been trained out of it. We've lost the normal flow of our intuitive right brain abilities in cold calling. We've swapped it for sales scripts and strategies, opening and closing lines. In some ways, you could say that we've become less human in our cold calling. All the intuitive elements have been taken out of the cold calling process. We're focused on the sale, not on the person. We're reading a script rather than really talking. We're making a pitch, not listening. Doesn't this sound kind of like a game to you? Make a pitch, counter objections, and offer a closing line, all with the intention of acquiring a sale. This is why most of us associate cold calling with the worst of what selling is all about. It's the going to war concept. You put on your armor and play a mind and word game with someone you've never met. On the other hand, what if we engage the power of our right brain to bring us out of that place into real person-to-person contact? What would happen? Well, the first thing is that you would relax. Your right brain is more interested in the experience than in the goal. You would find yourself less rigid and less tense. Your cold calling speaking voice will have less of that telltale salesperson tone. You'll feel more normal, speak more easily, and let a conversation move at its own pace and focus. When you do this, others respond to you more naturally because they won't feel chased. Many people really do genuinely enjoy the opportunity for pleasant connection, whether interested in buying or not. Here are 6 ways to adjust your mindset to tap into the power of your right brain when cold calling. 1. The right brain is interested in process, not outcomes. Before you make a cold call, make sure your focus isn't on making the sale. That's the goal. Putting all your focus on a goal sabotages your enjoyment of the process itself. Therefore, think to yourself, my goal is not to make the sale, but to create a conversation based on how I can help the other person. 2. The right brain is intuitive, not calculating or manipulative. When you're making a cold call, avoid changing who you are in order to secure the sale. Be your everyday relaxed self, as if you're calling a friend. There's no need to be on stage or artificially enthusiastic. The right brain is genuine, normal, relaxed, and decidedly non-artificial. This is a great way to be when talking with potential clients. People know when you're being genuine and when you're not. Thus, they always respond much more positively to someone who's being real. 3. The right brain is flexible rather than linear. Throw out your linear sales scripts and strategies. Generate a spontaneous conversation based on the problems you can help the other person solve. Allow your cold calling conversations to breathe. Allow the topic to wander a bit from time to time. 4. The right brain sees things holistically. View the person you're calling as another person, not a prospect. Let go of the buyer-seller mentality. You're not wanting to get a sale from somebody. Your focus is on the bigger picture, which includes the well-being of your prospect as well as yourself. 5. The right brain is open-ended, not rigid. Don't worry about driving the cold calling conversation forward. Instead, open your call with a statement that focuses on a problem you can solve and invites a response like, "What do you mean?" or "Tell me more." When you start tapping into the power of your right brain while cold calling, you'll start to have fun. You'll be amazed at how people respond to you. What's more, at the end of the day, you won't be burned out. You'll be energized and truly happy. This is the power of your right brain. Thank you for spending some time with Afternoons Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.